Hey guys, I just wanted to show y'all my hair. I took them out. They're not really uniform, which is fine, but I was still trying to get them fluffed out and everything. My glasses are so dirty. So yeah, this is my hair. Y'all can see it. That's the side, the back, the other side, and then the front. So I feel like I sort of kind of look like Jamie Foxx from Breaking All the Rules. So yeah, but I'm on my way to class. I'll probably edit all these videos, all my videos today, and try to get them up today. So it'll be a slew of videos that will be coming your way. So yeah, let me go. I gotta go pack my book bag and head to school. So excited, can you tell? I actually have a test today, so I need to study some more. So yeah, that's about it. And I hope you all have a great, blessed day. And I will talk to you good people later.